Let's learn how to set up a scheduled task in FME Server. In our scenario, we want FME Server to automatically run a workspace that extracts data from a database and refreshes a set of shapefiles on a daily basis. We'll make use of this community mapping workspace already published to FME Server, which reads layers from a file geodatabase and writes out to one of 4 formats. The Schedules button takes us to the Schedules page. Here you can perform a number of scheduling-related tasks. Click New. Start by giving the task a name. Call it Community Mapping. Next, create a category to put this task in. Production. We can give our category a description. Scheduled tasks which extract data from a production database. We do want the task enabled, so leave the default checkmark next to Enabled. Next, set up the Workspace Details. Select the repository the workspace belongs in, then select the Community Mapping workspace. For output format, select Esri shapefile. We'll process all the layers in the workspace. Now set up the schedule. Remember, we want this workspace to run daily at the same time, but just for now, let's set this up to first run immediately and then every 5 seconds so we can see it in action. Check immediately, set the repeat unit to second, and the interval to 5. Make a note of the current time. Click OK. Now, click Jobs, and then Completed. Notice our community mapping workspace has already run several times, every 5 seconds. Okay, let's set up a schedule for real this time. Go back to the Schedules page. Check the task we set up, and click on the Disable button to stop the current task. Now let's edit our task again. Click on the Community Mapping Data row to start editing. This time, select the workspace to start running tomorrow at 1 a.m. Change the repeat unit to day and the interval to 1 for daily. Check Enabled to re-enable the task. If desired, notifications can be set up to send upon successful or unsuccessful execution of the task. The advanced settings is where specific job settings can be entered. We'll leave these for now. Click OK. We've now set up FME Server to perform a scheduled task. Thanks for watching.